Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. But you can check and watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. And nakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Virgo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga paparating na energies, messages, gabay, or guidance for Virgo. Virgo. You are waiting on something. Siguro may inaantay kayo na balita about work, about contracts, okay, about money or kaperahan or bagong opportunity, okay? Okay, there will be victory and success, okay? Recognition of your galing, of your skills, your talent. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo namamayagpag kayo sa inyong ginagawa. Maybe this is a creative project. There is a new beginning para sa inyo. Or may natanggap kayo na money, yung matagal nyo na inaantay dahil sa inyong trabaho or dahil sa inyong passion project, okay, for some of you. Again, victory and success. There is a breakthrough sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong trabaho, okay? Parang nagkaroon ka na ng mental clarity, nagkaroon na ng kasagutan, ang inyong hard work at ang inyong inaantay. Good result, okay, na natanggap. You aspire for more, okay? You are moving on towards your goal. Meron kang target. Yeah. Okay. You know that you deserve better for some of you and you keep going, okay? Yeah, there will be competition. There is disappointment or heartbreak, okay? Yeah, there is parang yung ibang phase ng buhay ninyo or maybe trabaho to or mindset, okay? There will be some ending. No? A phase in your life or your relationship, merong transformation or some of you. Okay. Yeah. So, be confident, okay? Spread your wings. Be confident. Kung meron kayong mga business na ginagawa or project, you need to move forward, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano to. Yeah. Right now, you feel happy. Parang merong wish come true na nangyayari sa inyo. You feel good. Okay? Kung may mga concerns kayo dati, nag-fade na yon at nawala yung concern na yon, nagkaroon na ng solusyon, nagkaroon na ng kasagutan or sagot. Okay? Sa mga concerns nyo. Kung ano man yan. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, may natanggap kayo na money, okay? Fairness. May na-receive ka na or na-approve ka sa loan and you will be able to, yung iba sa inyo, you will be able to pay debts or utang or loan. Yeah. Yeah, you are receiving or giving money to someone. You have more than enough, okay? For some of you, you are getting attention. And time to someone else. You're giving time and attention. Let's see, ano ibig sabihin ng 7 of Pentacles? For Virgo. 7 of Pentacles. 8 of Cups. Bakit may 8 of Cups? Yeah, Page of Swords. Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-iisip kayo ng paraan, mga ways how to increase your money and how to grow your money. Okay? Or paano magkaroon ng progress ang inyong ginagawa or ang inyong project. Okay? You're getting information, you're getting knowledge. Okay? Ace of Pentacles. Ano to? Bakit may Ace of Pentacles? Eight of Pentacles. Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands. Oh. Okay. Nine of Swords. Parang nagkaroon na ng aksyon, ng kasagutan. Kung ano man yung wino-worry ninyo before. Okay. Yeah. Yung meron kayong self-fulfilling prophecies na parabang hindi kayo naniniwala na magkakaroon ng positivity na mangyayari sa inyo. Now, you're getting clarity. Okay? Nagkaroon na ng aksyon. For some of you, if this is a relationship, you are worried over someone. Okay? May concern kayo or worried kayo na baka tinalikuran kayo or hindi ka na binigyan ng atensyon. Okay, that is for some of you, Virgo. Yeah, for some, you are waiting on something, improvement, no? Kung mayroong improvement, or you are stalking or getting information about someone, leaving something, okay? Maybe leaving a relationship, no? Or kung anong nangyayari sa isang relationship, okay? And nag-worry ka kung anong mangyayari sa inyo. Okay, nag-worry ka that someone will or tatalikuran ka or iiwanan ka, something like that. Just take what resonates for you, Virgo, and leave the rest pag hindi para sa inyo. So far, ito lang yung mga energies na lumalabas. Six of Wands, let's see. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you feel or nag-worry kayo over something, maybe an opportunity or project na hindi mo makuha or hindi offer sa inyo. Okay, nagkaroon ng tagumpay or ng success. Six of Wands. Yeah. Six of Wands. Ano to? Yeah. Queen of Wands. Okay? Parang bumalik na yung confidence niyo sa sarili. Okay? For some of you. Kung dati parang you are hopeless or nawawalan ka ng pag-asa over a situation or sa work mo or sa project or business mo na to. Now, it's getting back. Okay? Or babalik uli yung sigla, yung confidence nyo sa sarili. Okay? Merong victory or success kang natanggap or nangyari sa inyo. Okay? Sa business man to or sa passion project mo, okay? Or sa work, online or offline, okay? Nabalik ang tiwala mo sa sarili. Nagkaroon ka ng confidence, okay? Yeah, you are doing well on your business. For some of you, if you are self-employed. Ace of Swords, tingnan natin, ano to? The Hierophant. Okay. The Hierophant, okay. Wheel of Fortune, okay. Positibong pagbabago, okay. Fortune is on your side. There is a success and breakthrough. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, may nakuha kang information, some truth about a situation, maybe a commitment or a relationship that is moving forward. Yeah. What is the Eight of Cups? What is the Eight of Cups? Five of Swords. Okay. Now, you are worried about sa motibo of a person. Okay. Nagkaroon ng conflict and now you are moving on. You have doubts about this person for some of you. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, maybe you are leaving someone because you are left out in the cold or hindi ka binigyan ng security or what do you call this? Parang walang assurance, no, in your situation. That's why there is a desire for you of moving on. Okay? You are moving towards something meaningful. Yeah. Here there is a three swords, third party situation. Okay. Five of Wands. Bakit may Five of Wands? Ano tong Five of Wands? Competition. Okay. Why is the Five of Wands? Knight of Cups. Merong competition over someone. Okay. Maybe nakikipag-compete ka with someone for this person, no? A Knight of Cups. Okay. The High Priestess. Maybe you know that someone is dealing with another person, expressing love or or may gusto or mahal na iba. Okay? And nagkaroon ng conflict. Or competition. For some of you, there is arguments or fights. Okay? Over someone. Okay. Virgo, before you do something, listen to your intuition, trust your intuition, okay? Consider carefully before you act. Three of Swords, let's see, ano tong Three of Swords? The Emperor. Parang you feel bad about the situation. Parang nawalan ka ng stability. Okay? Emotional stability. And Temperance. Okay? Yeah. You need to be patient. Okay? Over a situation. Parang kailangan mo maging kalmado sa isang sitwasyon. Yes. And let things to unfold naturally. Okay? Tingnan mo na lang kung anong mangyayari yung sa susunod. Oho. Parang ayaw mo nang i-force or i-push pa yung something. Hahayaan mo yung panahon na mag-heal or hayaan mo yung panahon na dalhin ka kung saan man ang para sa inyo. Okay? You need to release and let go of heartaches, Virgo. If you are heartbroken, let go of disappointments, heartaches, okay? Or pains. Yeah. Kailangan mo ikalma yung sarili mo. Logically and emotionally, kailangan mo i-balance so that you will be able to gain structure or maintain structure in yourself and stability. Death. Yeah. There is an ending or katapusan. Maybe this is the relationship, okay? May kailangan i-end. Maybe a toxic situation or unhealthy relationship. Okay, it has to end. Okay, so that you will be able to start something new for yourself. You will be able to transform, grow, expand, and evolve. Okay? You need to start something new, something fresh. Virgo. Ano tong death, please? Why death? The World. Yeah. You are closing, finishing something. Maybe a relationship. Parang a phase of a cycle has ended. Okay? Yeah. So there is a new chapter for you, Virgo. Okay? There will be a new chapter for you. Okay? You will be moving forward. You will regain your confidence sa sarili. Okay? Yung kumpiyansa mo sa sarili. Okay? The World. Bakit ang The World? Yeah, three of Wands. Yeah. In order for you to expand, you need to end something. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you will be finishing a project. There is expansion sa work mo or sa trabaho mo. Okay? Or sa passion project mo. So, just be patient. Okay? Things are looking good for you when it comes to career or sa creativity mo. Merong rebirth na mangyayari sa inyo, Virgo. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you have accomplished something with pride. Meron kayong na-achieve na nagbigay sa inyo ng pride. Okay. Queen of Wands. Ano tong Queen of Wands? Okay. Queen of Cups. Yes. So, continue to nurture yourself, develop yourself. Okay? Take care of yourself. Virgo. Bigyan mo ng oras at panahon yung sarili mo. I-improve mo pa yung sarili mo. Okay? Babalik ang confidence mo. Yeah, for some of you, you will be looking towards the future with expansion. Okay? Meron kang mga plans na kailangan mong igawin. Okay. The Empress. Okay. Success. Magkakaroon ka ng success sa inyong business. Okay. Or sa inyong trabaho. Creative project man to. Okay. Abundance. Okay. For some of you, meron kayong tinatrabaho na ilo-launch pa lang. Okay. Something to do with creatives or creativity. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you are expecting or maybe you are pregnant, okay? Or you will be getting pregnant. Okay? Virgo. Yeah. For some of you, you are very intuitive but wise. Okay? Parang mas tinitingnan mo ang sarili mong kapakanan. Okay? So, you will be doing that for yourself, Virgo. You will be living a situation na hindi beneficial para sa inyo. Okay? You have to let it go so that you will be able to renew yourself. There will be a rebirth. You will be able to transform yourself into something positive. Merong expansion na mangyayari sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung mga mensahe? Additional message for Virgo. Many choices. Opportunities abound when you are in a dilemma. All roads lead to Rome. Look at all your options. Nice. Second is direction. Do not deviate from your path. Attract a mentor if necessary. Plan where you want to be. And spiritual work. Open your heart to a spiritual career and heal the human heart. You are a light worker. Okay. Additional message. Yeah. For some of you, there is an energy of self-love and self-care. Okay? Additional or angel message for Virgo. Have courage to ask for and accept help. Asking for help is a sign of strength, as is accepting it as it is offered to you. Very often when you ask God for help, prayers are answered through other people. Be sure to accept this assistance as well as give it to others as you are guided. Okay. So these are the messages for you, Virgo. All the best. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.